What's up guys? Today I'm working on a Honda Odyssey. Looks like the alternator is shot. What we're going to be doing is swapping out the alternator, and we'll show you how we get this done right from the driveway. First thing that we're going to be doing is removing these clips all right here. Just going to remove all that stuff. We're going to try to access it more. The alternator looks to be down here, so we're going to try to remove this stuff, and we're going to try to get some better access going, and we'll see how that works out. Okay, so we're back to the front over here, and what I did is I removed the power steering reservoir, also the coolant overflow tank, the top engine covered, and the plastic on the front here. And now what we did is expose the alternator right here, and we're gonna pop it through this little gap right here. So we're gonna get this right done for the customer, right in the driveway. We got the new alternator right here. Looks pretty nice. And Apple parts, a little bit too expensive, but what can you do? Grab what you can get. Okay, so here we got the power steering off, everything off. I got the serpentine belt off. So we got the belt put up like this so that we don't lose the orientation of it. We got the electrical plug off the alternator, plus the blue plug off the back of it. We got the cable bungeed up so it's not in our way. And that's the alternator right there. So now we're gonna get it out through this little spot right here. And we got one bolt left on it, and we're gonna take it out. Okay, so here we got the alternator out. Looks like it's doesn't look so bad, but it can be rebuilt. So now time to put the new one back in. Now we're gonna prep the new alternator to get put in. So I'm gonna get started on that, and we'll return this thing for a core. So you see how I got the alternator in here? I can't get it in between those two mounting points there. So what I'm gonna do, see down here, the little lip. I can yeah, get to it. That little lip, this little thing here. There you go. This little thing here. So on the other one there, I'm gonna beat it in with a hammer. I'm gonna push it in going this way. So we're gonna tap it once, twice, that one deep down in there, and we're gonna try to loosen it up. Actually, we grabbed the hammer and we popped it out right there, right in the middle. So we popped this out right here. So we took it out a little bit this way. We were originally gonna pop this one further in that way, but I was able to get vice grips on the edge of it, on the back and on the front edge, and I was able to pull it out. Okay, so looks like got the new alternator all buttoned up. It's all in there. Cables are all on it. Everything's attached. So now we're gonna put the reservoir back and the plastic pieces we took, and we'll be out of here. Okay guys, so We got the alternator in. Nicely, we got everything buttoned up. Everything's good to go. It's been about an hour and a half, and we're complete the customer's car. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the car on and we're gonna voltage test the battery, make sure that it's charging and everything is good. And then we're gonna get paid and we're going off to the next one. And that's a wrap.